They get on his ass.
Put the middle thing down.
Let me chill on Mark. You.
Can I have mild sauce?
What's the address to that Chipotle? I'm at Taco Bell.
Thank you so much.
Wait, why?
You can get on his ass.
You get a straw? No straws.
Can we get 2 straws?
3.
Hey, thank you for the. I don't know.
You see how it's Chipotle?
Oh,
I did.
That's how you know I want some Chipotle right now.
Can we get 2 straws?
The extra work and do that or what?
Thank you.
oh, he's tired of us.
Hey,
What
fight the worker.
Oh, like, what you?
Girl, stop cussing.
No, he was talking about something. When you ask for a Baja Blast, be more specific. I said midnight. Don't be mad because you. No, this dumbass auto.
Oh my god.
How do I get there?
It was right there.
Hey, thank you for the peppers.
But at least we got our food. These new tacos better than too. Twitter mutual told me to try them.
Oh Lord. Right now.
I'm a boss.
Oh, that's what I mean.
Yo, it's storming outside my crib right now.
Girl, what you peeping for?
That's why my dog is going crazy.
Bro, you driving back.
No, I'm not.
It's pissing me
Dick
off.
with cheese,
This
I'm
car
not.
is pissing me off.
I don't give a damn.
Hey, thank you for the.
Stop sending him gifts, bro.
You have way too much road rage. Like,
Send him
it's
my
not even
hearts.
bad.
Send him my way.
What'd you say, Aunt?
Send him my way.
No, literally, I got way too much going on, y'all.
No, it's these dumb on the road in this car.
Okay, whenever we park, I'm gonna rejoin the live again, and you're not gonna say the F
Hey,
word,
thank you for
right?
the finger hearts.
Because you're not even driving. It's no reason to, boo.
Okay.
Thank you for the finger hearts.
Yeah, I think my laundry is done now. But so I go check, bro. I don't want to go downstairs. Come back up.
Hey, that's my car. That bitch got my car. But mine's a cuter color. That white is ugly.
2 minutes. For real?
Yeah, the white one's not cute. I don't know why she got it in that colorway. The blue and the black were the.
You're so worried about the next hoe.
Girl. Oh, was that a cop? Oh no, that's a.
No, literally, Sty sucks at driving.
Okay, you drive back then.
No.
You drive back then.
No.
Then shut up. And there's this Trader Joe's an old movie theater.
Hey,
It
But your
is.
car don't got autopilot?
So innovative.
You heard, Chris?
You test the charges in the middle of nowhere.
Girl, we literally charged it here last time.
I've never been here before.
Bro, yes you
I've never
have.
been here before.
Yes
I
you
have
Yeah,
have.
does his car have
Oh my God.
autopilot or not? I feel like y'all should know. It probably does.
Ooh.
It does, right?
Wait, what?
You use that. Use the autopilot.
Hold on, okay, I'm gonna rejoin now.
Bitch,
We
if we
parked.
had it, I would have used it.
Like, come on now.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Hopping up with that yacht. Mukbang.
You see everything you got.
Where?
No.
Wait, not the tray?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn.
You gotta do that on his live. Tell Omar that. As a matter of fact, just use the comments for that. What are you doing? Trying to move you. Move on. Do
Okay.
Yo, Chris, I'm low-key getting tired.
You what?
I'm low-key getting tired.
Oh. Shit. Fuck. Okay.
Oh, what the hell? I mean, I'll stay on.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, just stay on.
You just said you're getting tired.
Stay on. I'm lying. I was joking.
What?
Damn.
I'm getting my chips. You act like you pay for this shit. Move. My chips.
Lord, get your crunchy supreme deluxe tacos.
Get your 6 tacos.
Bitch, who are you talking to?
You.
No, you're not.
If I go downstairs, my laundry's not done, I'm gonna be safe.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you get your burrito?
Oh no.
Please get it.
What? No.
So you have everything?
Yeah, this is your stop taco. Is there anything else in there?
Oh, no. Wait, so are you tired or not?
I'm good now. I gotta do my laundry anyways.
Okay. Excuse me.
Oh shit, okay. Lauren.
Guys, we're watching the Gap music video by Lotto and Ice Spice. Turn it down. What the hell?
Oh, her booty bad.
That's just switch
How
loud.
about I turn it down? I'm using the other way. Sorry.
Okay.
Her booty bad.
Oh my God. We knew this.
Oh, hold on.
Did you see that?
What are they watching?
Wait, WWE's in there?
I love her new hair color. Is that Diesel? Oh shit. Oh. Oh my.
Oh my God.
Oh my god. Bro.
Wait. Yeah, just eating her. I was like, yeah.
Oh, she looks good.
Bye. That's how I know.
Oh, man.
God.
Oh, I love it. Is that the shape boss? Ew.
Dude, why do I have to shape frosted in it?
I love it.
Oh my God.
I love it. Stay tuned.
There's so many streamers. Like, what the hell?
I fucking live.
Yeah.
I love this. Oh my god.
Well, it was very cute, but why the hell is the shape frosted in it? Ew.
Bro, they friends with Kyson now. That makes sense. I'm surprised he wasn't.
fine there, yeah.
I love in the thumbnail, like, what? And he just working off me, like, and I fucking live.
They supposed to be on Kai's stream right now.
We are. I want to watch that. We have Twitch on here. Are they live? Oh my god! Oh yeah, okay, I'm getting off live.
Yes, I needed to take a little nap. I was like, guys, 1 second.
Okay, I'm getting off live.
I have to
Bye.
get my beauty rest, recharge.